Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Philadelphia, Hatboro, Hamlet, Jenkintown, Rockwood, Abington, Bridgetine, Ivyland, Willow Grove, The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include northeast Philadelphia, Doylestown, Hatboro, Hamlet, Jenkintown, Chalfont, Abington, Bridgetine, Ivyland, Germantown, Gardenville, Willow Grove, Chestnut Hill, Richboro, Horsham, New Britain, Orland, Brittany Farms Highlands, Glenmore, and Glenside. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency so you can do so safely.
And for Thursday, southeast wind 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 2.
The following is a flood statement. The National Weather Delaware Valley, Station KI.